All this? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Dublin. The local time here is just past 4:45. For your continued comfort and safety, we would ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do not turn on your mobile phones until we've opened the doors here at the front of the cabin. Remember to check the overhead bins and seat pocket in front of you for any personal belongings. And do take care when opening the overhead bins as items which may have moved around during the flight could fall out, causing injury to you or to another passenger. On behalf of the captain, Terence McMahon, myself and the rest of the crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Aer Lingus today. It has been our pleasure to have you on board, and we look forward to seeing you on board another Aer Lingus service again in the very near future. And on that note, don't forget to check out our website at aerlingus.com for our cheapest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and tourist car hire. Grab mahagab cordial free hash the Aer Lingus and you to also look at the bitch of Nana Slán agus Banach Taileh Galer. On behalf of Aer Lingus, we apologise for the delay into Dublin and we hope it hasn't inconvenienced you too much.